Elsie, I'm here in your house. Okay, guys, I have 4 minutes. Tomorrow, maybe 12 in the 12 noon here in Kuwait time. So I'm not sure what time in your place. What time now in your place, Moments? Because now in my place is 11:55. In my place now, in my place is 11:55 p.m. So what time now in your place now? Moments, what time in your place now? So I can tell you what time I will do LS tomorrow. Because tomorrow is my day off. So I will be waking up late. Nine 55, 9, 10, 11. So I am 2 hours advanced to you. So I will do live maybe 12:30 or 1 o'clock. So it will be 1, 12, 11. Maybe 10 o'clock in your place. 10 o'clock in the morning. Because I am 2 hours advanced. So it's 9:56 now p.m. in your place. I am here, it's 11:56. So 9, 10, 11:56. So 2 hours advance. I am 2 hours advance to you. So if I do live tomorrow 1, so it will be 11, 12. So maybe 11 a.m. in your place. 11, 12, 1. Yes, it's 11. Maybe 11 a.m. Okay. So tomorrow I can give you again. LC, then connect to you, LC. Hala. Hindi ko nabasa yung comments mo. Ano ba? Na sana hindi ako nag-aircon. Sana pinatay ko yung aircon, no? Sumakit na yung ano ko. Okay, guys. So now I need to watch a video now. To those who are here. BH, thank you so much. I watch your video, BH, ah. Chichi, who is Chichi ba? Uy, nag-live siya. Talaga lang. Who is Chichi? Wala siyang ano? Wala siyang video? Ano si Chichi? So guys, I think I need to go now. Thank you so much everyone. So okay, sure. Tomorrow I will give you again, okay? Moments. Tomorrow I will give you. Now you are 350 now. So tomorrow I will give you again because I just give you how many extra? 2, 4, 6. I only give you 6. So tomorrow I give you more. But guys, I need to go now. Thank you so much for coming. And so salamat sa mga nagdumaan, nagtambay at nagtamsak. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Sa mga kayo naroon, mag-ingat po kayo. As always, keep safe everyone and God bless. Wherever you are, keep safe and I love you guys. Thank you. Bye. Paalam everyone. So I need to watch na first too. I will remove you. Moments. Bye, Moments. Thank you. Bye. See you tomorrow. See you.